Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Course. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to remove watermarks from your images, then you are in the right place. Today, I am going to show you an amazing AI tool called watermarkremover.io that does the job in just a few seconds. In this video, we are going to see how you can remove watermark from an image. Let's say you have an image with a watermark and you want to remove it so that it will look more professional. To remove this watermark, just click on the link given in the below description and it will take you to this website called watermarkremover.io. This is how the interface of watermarkremover.io looks like. Now all you need to do is click on the upload button, select the watermarked image and upload. Wait for a few seconds, the AI will process it, and just like that the watermark is gone. Once you do that, you can see the watermark has been removed. You can directly download the image to our system by clicking download button. If you check the downloaded image, this is how the result look like. Here are some features of this website. That is, it supports multiple image formats like PNG, JPEG, JPG, etc. You can download the image instantly and keeps the quality really good. Guys, just an important reminder to the users, always use this tool responsibly. Don't remove watermarks from images you don't own or have permissions to use. Respect copyright and intellectual property right. And that's it guys. Watermarkremover.io is a super handy tool, especially if you are editing personal images or doing graphic work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more AI tools, and see you in the next video. Thank you.